In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell stocks in TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the trade button top right on your chart, and then you want to connect your broker with which you want to trade stocks. So I'm going to go and connect to paper trading, but if you want to connect to anything else, you're free to do so over here by clicking on that broker and then clicking on connect over here, and you're good to go. So I'll click on paper trading and I'm going to click on connect. Now, once you're in here, of course, inside your trading menu, you want to go to trade top right, and it's going to open up this side panel, or you could go ahead and go to sell or buy over here at the top left, and it's going to open that as well. Now, of course, we must find the correct stock we want to trade, buy and sell. So I'm going to go to the top left over here, click on that, and in symbol search, I'm going to click on stocks. And here you have different stocks, okay? So I'm just going to go and find one. For example, I just do Google right now. I'm going to click on over here, or of course, I could do something else as well, like maybe Microsoft or Apple or whatever. So I'm just going to click on Microsoft, and there we go. It's going to open up the chart of that specific stock, and over here on the right you can go ahead and click on order, and now you can buy or sell that stock. So of course you can select if you want to buy or sell. Then you have the market order, limit order, or stop order. If you're using a market order, it's going to buy at the current price of the market right now, or sell of course as well. But if you have limit or stop, you're going to have to specify your own price. I'm going to go with market right now. Then you want to select how much you want to purchase or sell. I'm going to go in USD, and I'm going to go, for example, 1000 over here. There we go. And then what I'm going to do here is, of course, you can enable a take profit and stop loss as well. That's optional. And then you can simply click on the buy button bottom right, or if you're selling, on the sell button bottom right. And as you can see, there we go. You have successfully bought or sold a stock in TradingView. So that's how to do this. And then to track them, you can go ahead and slide this up, and here you can see your order history, your orders, and everything like that. Okay, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.